Hello everyone. Today we're going to be replacing the pull cord for a lawnmower. But first, this is a little dirty, so let's try and clean it up a little. After a pressure wash, that's better. So we need to get all of the old pull cord out. So we're going to try and free it up a little bit. When this one came apart, it kind of tangled itself on the starter wheel, so we're gonna struggle a little, but we got to try and get all of this out of here. And now that we have the old cord out, we want to set the tension on the starter wheel spring. So you're going to turn the starter wheel the direction it would be spinning if you were pulling the cord. This is going to tighten the spring so that you can install the new cord and it actually retract when you release it. So spin it, in this case counterclockwise as far as it'll go, and then you want to line up the hole for the cord on the starter wheel with the hole on the case. And then what I do is I take my pocket screwdriver and we're going to stick it through one of the openings on the starter wheel and one of the openings on the case to hold the tension on the starter wheel while we feed the cord through. Now a little trick is, instead of trying to feed it through the outside, what you want to do is pull the new cord off of the handle, and once you get the handle off of the new cord, you can slide the untied side from the inside through the starter wheel, out the case, and then pull it all the way through. That way you can tie it more easily on the outside. When you get it pulled through and your knot is set, you're going to leave your holder in place because you're not ready to retract the cord just yet. Take the untied side, slide it through the handle, tie a knot, verify that the knot is tight enough it's not going to slip apart, but large enough to where it's not going to pull through the handle when you're trying to start the mower. So tie the knot, check it, make sure, see if you like how it looks. I didn't like this one, so we're going to pull it back through and tie a second knot to give it a little bit more width so that hopefully it won't pull through when we're trying to use the mower. Once we are happy with the knot and feel that it's not going to pull through, then all we have to do is hold the cord, remove our screwdriver out of the starter wheel, and slowly let it recoil into place. And once we are done with the recoil, we can reinstall and get to mowing.